Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make various decor with ordinary branches. For this purpose, we need simple branches, which are always in excess in a spring garden. Cut them about 2 to 3 centimeters or 1 inch long. Dry the cut branches. After drying, pour carpenter's glue into them and mix everything well. Tightly put the branches into a mold until the glue hardened. My next option is a wreath, but you can make any shape you want. Leave it to dry for 2 days. It's solid. This is the kind of decor I got from useless branches. The wreath can be decorated with flowers. You can add a candle in the center and put it on the table. Or just decorate a terrace.